Assalamu alaikum friends. I am Salim Asad and you are watching Experts Tech YouTube channel. Friends, on this channel we bring learning videos about information technology. Today's video is made by one of our most senior IT experts, Jamil Parvez. So let's start.
Assalamu alaikum. In this demo, we will learn how to create a virtual private cloud VPC peering in different regions in the AWS environment. So, in this demo, I am using two regions. One is Ohio and one is Tokyo for testing this VPC connection in across regions. So steps are, first we need to create a VPC subnet internet gateways routing table, routing of subnet tables in both regions, Ohio and Tokyo regions. So then we will create peering connection, and after that we will update the routing tables. Then we will create instance, one is in Tokyo region and one is Ohio region. So the final step is to test. So I already log in with my AWS console management. So I open two tabs, one is in Ohio and one is in Tokyo. So first thing, click on services, scroll down, under networking and content delivery, click on VPC. Select VPCs, select create VPC. So I'm going to create a VPC in Ohio region. So I'm going to give the name Ohio VPC. So Ohio VPC, I'm giving the IP version 4 class C 192.168.0.0/16. Other things leave it default because we are not using IP version 4 in this lab. Tenancy default. Click create. Click close. Okay, so our Ohio VPC successfully created. So next step is we need to create subnets. Select subnets, select create subnets, type a name. I am giving Ohio subnet because it's in Ohio region. So VPC, select your Ohio VPC, the one we have created. IP version 4 CIDR block, we need to select 192.168.0.0/24. We can choose 25, 26, 27. Click create. Click close. The next step is we need to create internet gateways. Click on internet gateways. Select create internet gateway. Type a name. So I'm going to create internet gateway in Ohio region. So I'm giving the name Ohio Internet Gateway IGW. Click create internet gateway. So our internet gateway it's created, but it's in detached state. So we need to attach it to our Ohio VPC. Click on attach to a VPC, or under action menu you can choose attach to VPC. Available VPCs, here you can select Ohio VPC, click attach internet gateway. So our Ohio VPC successfully attached to our Ohio internet gateways. So next step is we need to create route tables. Select create route tables. So I'm going to create a route table in Ohio region. So I'm giving the name Ohio route. VPC, we need to select Ohio VPC. If you want to add tag you can, but just I'm leaving this default things. So click on create, click close. So our route table in Ohio region successfully created. So select your route. Click on routes. So we need to add route tables. So we need to add routes. Click on add routes. This is the local route in our Ohio region. So click add routes. Type 0.0.0.0 over 0 all packets for the internet. Under target, select internet gateway, select Ohio internet gateway, select save routes, click close, click on subnet associations, edit subnet associations, select your Ohio subnet. Here you can make sure it's associated subnets. Click save. So our VPC subnets internet gateways routing table is successfully created in our Ohio region. So now we need to do the same thing in our across region, means in Tokyo region. Select services, scroll down, under networking and content delivery select VPC, or in the history you can choose VPC. Select VPCs, click create VPCs. So I'm going to create a VPC in Tokyo, so I'm giving the name Tokyo VPC. So IP version 4, I'm selecting this 10 range, 10.0.0.0.0/16. Other things leave it default. Click create, click close. So Tokyo VPC successfully created. So next step is we need to create subnets. Click on subnets, click create subnets, type a name. It's my subnets in Tokyo region, so I'm giving the name it Tokyo subnet VPC. So here you need to select Tokyo VPC, don't select the default one. Availability zone, I'm leaving it as it is. So IP version 4 CID or block, so we need to choose the in same range. So type 10.0.0.0/24, click create, click close. So subnet is successfully created in Tokyo region. So next step is we need to create internet gateway. So select internet gateway, click on create internet gateway. So I'm going to create internet gateway in Tokyo region, so I'm giving the name Tokyo Internet Gateway IGW. Click on create internet gateway. So it's in detached state, so we need to attach it to our Tokyo VPC. So click on attach to a VPC. Here you need to select Tokyo VPC. Click on attach internet gateway. So now our internet gateway is successfully attached to our Tokyo VPC. So next step is we need to create a route table. So click on route tables. Click create route tables. Type a name Tokyo route VPC. Select your Tokyo VPC. Click create. Click close. So select your Tokyo route. We need to add routes. Click routes. Click edit routes. So this one is our local route. So we need to add other routes. Click add. Type 0.0.0.0 over //0 all packets for the internet. This 0.0.0 over 0, it's for all packets for the internet. So under target we need to select internet gateway. So here we need to select Tokyo internet gateway because we are in the Tokyo region. Click save routes. Click close. Click on subnet associations. Added subnet associations. Select your Tokyo subnet. Click save. Okay, so we are successfully created VPC, subnets, internet gateway, route tables. So go back to your Ohio region. So now we need to create peering connection. So select peering connections. Click create peering connection. So I'm giving the name peering Ohio Tokyo. So I'm peering connection between two regions. One is Ohio and one is Tokyo. So that's why I'm giving the name Ohio to Tokyo. So VPC requester, we need to select Ohio region, Ohio VPC, because we are in the Ohio regions. So select an other VPC to pair with. So we need to select another region. So here we need to select Tokyo because our other region is Tokyo. So go to your Tokyo region, select VPC, select Tokyo VPC, select description. Under description, this is VPC ID. We need to copy this one. Go back to your Ohio region, VPC acceptor, type this VPC ID, means Tokyo VPC ID, and then click create peering connection. Click close. So our peering connection between Ohio Tokyo, it's in pending acceptance, means pending status. So we need to activate it. So go to Tokyo region. Scroll down, select peering connection. Here you can see peering connection, you can rename it peering Ohio Tokyo. Select your peering connection, select action menu, click accept request, click yes accept, click close. So now you can see it's in active state. Go back to your, refresh this one. Look, it's activated in both regions, Tokyo and in Ohio region. So next step is we need to update our routing tables, route tables. So select route tables, select your Ohio route, click on routes, select edit routes. So now we need to add a route for our Tokyo region, because we are now in the Ohio region, so we need to add a route for our Ohio region. So click add route, type your Tokyo IP version 4 route address. Under target, select peering connection, select peering Ohio Tokyo, save routes, click close. So our route table successfully created. This one is local, this is our internet default gateway, and this is our peering, So go to your Tokyo region, select your peering Ohio Tokyo. So we need to add route in the Tokyo region. Select route tables, select Tokyo route, select routes, select edit routes. So now we need to add the route of our Ohio region, because in Ohio region we already added Tokyo routes. So here in Tokyo we need to add Ohio routes, Ohio region routes. Click add routes, type your Ohio region IP version 4 192.168.0.0/16. Under target, select peering connection. So here we need to select peering Ohio Tokyo, click save routes, click close. So here you can see, so this IP address is local, this is all routes internet gateway, this one is our Ohio route. So next step is we need to create VPC, we need to create EC2 instance. One is in Ohio region and one is in Tokyo region. So let's go back to Ohio region, select services, under compute select EC2, click on instances, click launch instances, Select Microsoft Windows Server 2019. Select General Purpose T2 Micro free tier. Click Next. So this is the important configuration. So number of instances, we need 1. So here we need to select Ohio VPC. We don't need to select the default one, we need to select Ohio VPC because we are in the Ohio region. So here you need to select Ohio subnet. Auto assign public IP is always disabled. So click on enable. Click next. This is storage 30 GB. Click next. Add tag. Name. Ohio server. You can type any name. Next, configure security group. Here I'm giving the name, going to create a new security group, means Ohio security. For the role we need to add 2 roles. One is RDP and the other one is all ICMP IP version 4. So port range is 0 to 65535. Source anywhere. Click on review plus launch. Click launch. So I'm going to create a new peer pair. Pairing Ohio to Tokyo. Don't forget to download key pair. Click on download key pair. Click on launch instances. Click on view instances. So now our instances in Ohio region it's initializing. So give it a name. Ohio server. So let it complete. So now we need to create one instance in our Tokyo region. So go to your Tokyo region, click on services, click on EC2. Select instances. Select launch instance. Select Microsoft Windows Server 2019. General purpose T2 Micro free tier. Click next. This is the important thing, so we need to check this one. Number of instances 1. Here we need to select Tokyo VPC because we need to create one instance in Tokyo. Select Tokyo subnet. Select auto assign public IP enable. Click next. 30 GB storage. Click next. Add tag. Name Tokyo server. Because I'm going to create instance in Tokyo region, so I'm giving the name Tokyo server. Click next, configure security group. So here I'm giving the name Tokyo security. Click on add rule. Select all ICMP IP version 4. Select anywhere under source. Click review and launch. Click launch. New key pair. Tokyo key pair. Download key pair. Click on launch instances. Click on view instances. So now EC2 instances is just start initializing in our Tokyo region. So let it complete. So let's go back to the Ohio region. So in Ohio region, our Ohio server is in running state and status check is 202. So let me connect this one using RDP. Click connect. Click on get password. Click on choose file. So here we need to select peering Ohio to Tokyo. Click decrypt password. This is the password you need to copy. Download remote desktop. Open it. Click connect. Paste your password. Click OK. Click yes. Click close. So our instance in Ohio region is successfully logging. So here you can see is public IP address and this private IP address. So just you need to copy this and write it down. Ohio server IP 192.168.0.1. Let me check it. 243. It's 243. So we are in Ohio region. So let go to the Tokyo region. So our instance in Tokyo region it's successfully running and the status check is 202. So let me connect it. Click on connect. Click on get password. Click on choose file. Here we need to choose our Tokyo key pair. Click open. Click on decrypt password. This is the password. Copy this one. Download remote desktop file. Open remote desktop file. Click connect. Paste your password. Click OK. Click yes. So let it open. Go back to Ohio region instance and search firewall and network protection. Select this one. So we need to disable firewall. So we are in our Ohio region. Type firewall and network protection. So we need to disable firewall. Select this one. Click on domain, make it off. Private network, Window Defender, firewall off. Okay, so the third one is public network. Select it off. So we have selected domain network, private network and public network off. Close this one. Go to your other instance in Tokyo. So write down this private IP address because we need to ping. So open Notepad. Tokyo server IP 10.0.0.35. Let me check it. It's 35. So let's go to the Tokyo instance. Already we wrote down this version 4. So click on search, find firewall, and network connection. So because we need to disable firewall also on our Tokyo instance. Private network, select this off, select this one also off, and select this one also off. So now domain network, private network and public network are disabled. So now open command prompt, type cmd, open it. Type your Ohio server IP address, ping 192.168.0. Let me check it. Let me check it because already I wrote it. It's 235. 192.168.0.235 slash T 35 243. Sorry, the IP was wrong. So it's successfully pinging in our Tokyo region. Let's go back to our Ohio region. Open command prompt cmd, type ping 10.0.0.35/t. So our Tokyo region IP address, private IP address is also pinging. So our lab VPC peering in across regions successfully performed. So now we need to delete the instances and this configuration. So close these servers. Go to VPC. Scroll down, select peering connection. Select your peering connection. Select action menu. Delete VPC peering connection. Click yes, delete. So it's deleting. So go back to EC2 instance. Select instances. Select your instance. Action menu. Instance state. Select terminate. Click yes, terminate. Now go back to your VPC. Select your VPC. Lock your VPC. Select action menu. Delete VPC. Click delete. So security code failed. Click close. So thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching, friends. Hopefully you enjoyed and learned a lot from this video. If you feel that videos can be useful and beneficial for others, so please like, subscribe and share our channel and videos. Thank you again for watching. Have a nice day.